Now in this section we will see the prefix codes. Till now we have seen what is tree. So tree is collection of vertices and edges. We have seen the weighted tree where each and every vertex and edge is having the particular weight. Now the prefix code is also the concept which is applied or based on weight. But in weighted tree we are already having weights, and in prefix codes we are assigning the codes, means we are creating weight for that particular vertex. So the set of sequence is set to be prefix code. As I said, we are considering the code for each and every vertex. So if we are applying the particular code to each and every vertex, so when we are talking about the leaf node, definitely we are getting the sequence of code, and that's why prefix code is called as set of sequence. So how set of sequence is nothing but in the combination of 0 and 1. So it is allotted at level 1. We will not assign any code to root node. Root node is the main node. We cannot assign anything to it. Okay? That's why the allotment of prefix code is done at level 1. It is in the form of 0 and 1. Whenever we are applying the prefix code, we cannot apply 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and all. We have to assign 0 and 1 to each and every node. Now definitely question comes to our mind that if we want to allot 0 and 1, so where we should assign 0 and where we should assign 1? Is it randomly, or as I used to say that it is a logical subject, so according to our logic we are going to assign it? No. There is a rule for that. For left branch we will assigning 0, and for right branch we will be assigning 1. So according to that, when we are starting from level 1, we will assign 0 for the particular left branch and we will assign 1 for the right branch. And the same rule will be explored for each and every vertex till the leaf node. So continue this particular process till all the leaf nodes. Suppose we are having this tree. Okay. What is the root node of this tree? A. As it is the root node, we are not going to assign any code to this particular vertex. Now we will start from level 1. This is the left vertex or left branch of this particular root node. That's why we will assign 0 over here. And C is the right branch. That's why you will assign 1 to this particular vertex. That's why the prefix code for B is 0 and the prefix code for C is 1. Now talking about B. B is the again leftmost vertex of particular vertex B. So here it will be, this is level 1, this is level 2. So you will continue this 0 and you will assign one more 0 as it is the leftmost branch. Now as E is the rightmost node of this particular B vertex, so here 0 will be as it is, and for this E as it is right branch or right vertex, it will be 0, 1. Explore it for the next node. As it is edge, take 0, 0, and for this edge I am assigning one more 0. For I, it is rightmost branch for 0, 0, and as it is rightmost, it is 0, 0, 1. For F, it is the leftmost branch. So from this C to this F, as it is leftmost branch, take this one as it is, and it is leftmost, that's why assign 0. For G, it is 1, and the left, as it is rightmost, assign 1. So these are the prefix codes. A is the root node. B, the prefix code is 0. C, the prefix code is 1. D, the prefix code is 0, 0. E, the prefix code is 0, 1. F, the prefix code is 1, 0. G, the prefix code is 1, 1. H, the prefix assign 0 and for right you will assign 1. So this is all about prefix code and example of prefix code. In our next section we will see few more examples on the prefix code.